Hey, this is Will, and this is my 15.112 term project, which is a style prose editor. So we'll go ahead and load some text. And I have a little sample text here. So the prose style editor checks for three things. It checks for passive voice and makes changes. It checks for nominalizations and displays where they're at. It removes unnecessary words, and then it'll shorten long sentences. So let's just check for nominalizations. Those are adjectives or verbs that are used as nouns. So right here is like the foundations. There's another one, the documentation, and I think there's something else down here called the designing. So let's just go ahead and check for those. And sure enough, it pulled them up. The foundations, the documentation, the development. So now that you know that that's a nominalization, you can go ahead and change that into a character. We can also change passive voice to active voice. So here we have some things like machines were made by humans. The first working mechanical calculator was designed and constructed by Wilhelm. And the same with the stepped reckoner was demonstrated by Gottfried Leibniz. So let's go ahead and change passive to active. So you can see that it's not the best, but it does a good job. Natural language processing is hard work. So here we have, humans made machines, Leibniz demonstrated reckoner, Leibniz done documentation. So again, it's not perfect, but it does a pretty good job. We can also remove unnecessary words, and those are words like really, very, totally. So right here we have many totally consider him to be the very first computer scientist. 1843, which is literally considered to be the first computer program. Let's go ahead and remove those. So you can see right here that it got rid of them. So many consider him to be the first computer scientist in 1843, which is considered to be the first computer program, etc. The last feature is shortening long sentences. So what it does is it uses recursive backtracking to remove words and check that sentence with the original to see if they still have the same meaning. So it does take a couple seconds. And as you can see, it did make a number of sentences significantly shorter. I won't go through them all right now, but you can pause the video and read them. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.